Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Clarity to analyze user behavior, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Clarity to analyze user behavior, start by visiting the Microsoft Clarity website. Once there, click on the Get Started button. Create a Microsoft account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you will be prompted to create a new project. Enter the name of your website and the URL you want to track. Select your industry from the drop-down menu. Choose whether you want to enable heat maps and session recordings. Once you complete the form, click on the Create button. You will be taken to a setup page with your Clarity tracking code. Copy the tracking code provided on this page. Now, open your website's HTML files or access your content management system. If you are using a CMS like WordPress, navigate to the theme editor or a plugin section for custom scripts. Paste the copied Microsoft Clarity tracking code into the header section of your website. Save the changes and refresh your website to ensure the code is active. Return to the Microsoft Clarity dashboard. It may take some time, but you will start to see user data populate in your project. Explore the different features, such as heat maps and session recordings, to gain insights into user behavior. Check back regularly to analyze trends and adjust your website accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.